severe thunderstorm was located near Lawton, or 7 miles south of Paw Paw, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kalamazoo, Portage, Vicksburg, Galesburg, Idlewild, Schoolcraft, Climax, Kalamazoo, Battlecreek, Comstock Northwest, Westwood, Fulton, Augusta, Oshtemo, Comstock, Scotts. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Michigan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern Michigan. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan. Tornado watch 478 in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. West of tonight, west winds 10 to 20 knots veering north after midnight. Thunderstorms likely and a chance of rain showers.